How to unban Grindr account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can unban our Grindr account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Before you try to unban it, first of all you have to understand why you were banned in the first place. Grindr usually bans a particular account when they notice some kind of spammy or suspicious activity coming out of those accounts. Maybe you have been swiping too much, maybe you have been spamming something too much. That is why Grindr has limited it. Now most likely this issue could be solved if you try to use a VPN or switch your network, because it will in turn also change your IP address. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, try to connect to mobile data. If you're connected to mobile data, try to connect to Wi-Fi. If you don't have these facilities, you can try to connect to a VPN. After that, don't log in right away. First of all, I want you to clear the data of the Grindr app. So long press the Grindr app icon here, tap the I button to come to the app info page. Then you want to simply navigate to storage, clear cache, and make sure to clear the data. After that, now you can try to open Grindr while making sure you're still connected to a VPN. Just try to log into your account, then this time it should help you log in. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.